Hello everyone and welcome to Modern Survivalist. If you're looking to make some real money online, having an online job is the most tried and true way to go. All of the jobs that I will be featuring today in this video, you can do from your own home and on your own time. These jobs also don't require any previous experience and are simply the best paying jobs online for unskilled workers. These jobs should give you a good foundation to build upon if you plan on doing anything else online and allow you to really become your own boss. So without any further ado, let's get started with Modern Survivalist's 10 $10 an hour or more online jobs. Number 1. Lionbridge. Kicking things off in today's list is the king of online employment, Lionbridge. Whether it be part-time or full-time work you're looking for, Lionbridge has positions available to fit your needs. Work here covers a wide spectrum of possibilities, from internet assessor, social media evaluator, web content judge, and much, much more. Pay ranges from $8 to $15 an hour, and you typically have flexible schedules. Be prepared to take a qualifications course here, though, as they only want the most competent and detail-focused employees. Number 2. LeapForce. LeapForce is a platform a lot like Lionbridge. Here you will find similar work opportunities to those found at Lionbridge, like Internet Assessor, Social Media Evaluator, and many, many more. Pay here is on par with that of Lionbridge, averaging at about $15 an hour. Many roles here require a smartphone, though, so if you don't have one, perhaps now is a good time to think about upgrading. Number 3. Appen. This is yet another platform like Lionbridge and LeapForce with many similar work roles. Again, here you will be doing mostly social media evaluator and detail-oriented assessment work. Average pay here is again similar to that of Lionbridge and LeapForce, averaging at about $15 an hour. Number 4. UTest. With UTest, you mainly review websites and apps, and work is generally short-term. This is nice for people with time constraints, as it can fill any gaps in your downtime. Each gig can pay upwards of $40 and last typically an hour or so each. Most of these gigs are posted on their blog and are time-sensitive, so if you want to participate, you have to keep an eye on their blog for available work. Number 5. Userlytics. Here we have another website in the app and website testing game, except here you earn a cool $15 per completed 15-minute website usability test. The best thing about this program is that you'll be emailed anytime they have an available test for you to do. No need to worry about constantly checking out the website, because with Userlytics, it's all sent directly to your inbox. Number 6. UserTest.io. Here is another website in the app and website testing field. Work here is similar to that of Userlytics in that you will be emailed anytime you have an available test. Payment here is a little slimmer, though, at just $10 per completed 15-minute test. Number 7. Userfeel. Yet another website and app testing program. Again, here you are paid $10 per completed usability test, and each test is sent to you via email. Userfeel is less frequent than other tests, though, so don't hold your breath waiting for work from Userfeel. Number 8. User testing. This is perhaps the most well-known website and app testing platform, and here you will find the absolute highest volume of work in the website and app testing category. Each completed test takes about 15 minutes to complete and pays a cool $10 apiece. Number 9. Try My UI. This is the last website and app testing program on this list. They similarly pay $10 per completed test, and they usually last about 15 minutes apiece. Watch out for your email, because that's how you'll be informed to all of Try My UI's tests. Number 10. Usability Hub. Last but not least is a website that you can keep open all day, and periodically they will ask you quick 10-second questions that pay 10 cents apiece. Now that may not seem like much, but after a while the money starts to pile up, and before you know it, you have $10 waiting to cash out. All right, everybody, that about does it for this high-paying online jobs list. Make sure you're subscribed right here to Modern Survivalist for all things online earning and modern survival. For your convenience, you can find all of the websites mentioned in this video linked in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. I would absolutely love to hear what you have to say. Also, if you would like to watch more Modern Survivalist videos, you can do so by simply checking out the channel page. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time.